You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down the correct pronunciation of these confusing scientific word. For more names of complicated molecules and more English pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Let's break it down. The pronunciation in English is as chlorofluorocarbon. Let's break it down. Chlorofluorocarbon. Overall, let's listen carefully to get your pronunciation perfect. Chlorofluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.